Are you looking for the top 5 things to do in Revelstoke, British Columbia in the wintertime? Well, then this video is for you. I'm going to be going over them in detail. What's going on, everyone? It's Russell Mortlock here with The Real Broker. I'm a licensed real estate agent in British Columbia. So if you're watching this video and you're considering buying property in Revelstoke, drop the comment down below saying home and I'll send you the top 3 investments that you can currently make in Revelstoke right now. So let's dive into the top 5 things that you can do in the winter in Revelstoke. And this is going to have one main theme, and I'm sure a lot of the people that are watching this video are going to know it's probably going to revolve around some snow. So let's get into it. Number 1 is skiing and snowboarding at Revelstoke Resort Mountain. This mountain is literally world famous for having some of the biggest vertical drops in all of North America, and this is probably going to be the number 1 place that you want to check out if you're coming to Revelstoke in the winter. Number 2 is going to be heli skiing and cat skiing. Revelstoke is famous for offering some of the best backcountry skiing in all of North America. And you have multiple different heli skiing companies in Revelstoke that can help you reach some untouched terrain. Just imagine you're up in the mountains shredding some fresh powder that no one has touched. It's definitely an amazing experience and something that for the really avid skiers and snowboarders that you want to check out. Number 3 is snowmobiling. To go along with all that backcountry that's just amazing to ski out there comes some really great terrain for people to snowmobile. So if you're someone that doesn't necessarily love to maybe go snowshoeing, skiing, snowboarding, snowmobiling can be a great option for people to go and explore and enjoy Revelstoke. There's a bunch of different guiding companies in Revelstoke that can take you out for a small investment and have a really amazing day and allow you to experience some really amazing places in Revelstoke while snowmobiling. Number 4, this is going to be outside of the whole snow theme that we've talked about so far in this video, and that would be just cruising around downtown. There's so many beautiful boutique restaurants, boutique coffee shops, boutique clothing stores. If you're looking for something to do in the wintertime, you want to really check out this area. There's some really awesome local restaurants that are just amazing to support them, that deliver a really great service and some amazing food. Number 5 is going to be soaking in the hot springs. So after a day out there adventuring, either going skiing, snowmobiling, snowshoeing, hiking, whatever you're potentially doing in the wintertime, going and relaxing in the hot springs is just a great way to end your day. So if you're loving all the winter activities and you're wanting to move to Revelstoke or purchase some property in Revelstoke right now, drop a comment down below saying home and I will send you the list of the top 3 investments that you can make right now in Revelstoke. Thank you everyone for watching, and if you want more information on buying property in Revelstoke right now, where are prices at, how much has it gone up, where are the best places to invest in, you're going to want to watch this video next here where I go over everything in detail.